everybody. Today's a super special Tony show as we announce the winners from our commercial open house last week. Thank you all for who attended, and thank you for making it such a tremendous success. So today we're going to announce 3 winners, and I want to shout out to Elena and Matt Doyle from Advertising is Simple, who has made this really neat Wheel of Fortune wheel that announces our winner.
Come on down.
Come on down. So just for that, we're going to announce winner number 1. And here, spin that wheel.
Kenny Castleberry. You won an Echo DHS 3006 battery free cell.
Second winner is, hold it, spin that wheel. And the winner is
Dave Gualtieri. You have won a GTA 40 STIHL battery pruning saw.
Let's find out who our third winner is. And the winner is
Miguel Zamora. You have won a Husqvarna 550 XP Mark II model chainsaw.
Congratulations to everyone that won. Again, thank you so much for coming and attending last week. It was a tremendous success.
And for those that didn't win, keep your eye on our social medias for more ways to win in the future. We've got some great things coming your way.
And as always, go Birds!